We have two potential deadly tornadoes trying to touch down right now. One near Troy. You can just see the very tight velocity right now in this storm. The storm relative velocity, the high resolution correlation coefficient, it's going to drop something down very soon. And another area near Alexander City, very concerning hook echo, and we got a damaging tornado on the ground right now. In fact, this is like, wait, I'm trying to find out how intense this is. We may have like 140 miles an hour right now in this tornado. Very intense circulation near Alexander City. I cannot repeat this enough. We might have a devastating tornado on the ground right now. Yeah, we could have a devastating tornado on the ground near Alexander City, Jackson's Gap. If you guys are in this area, y'all need to take cover right now. I wasn't expecting to get on the stream, but we do have a damaging, violent tornado probably gonna be on the ground soon. My God. And this one down to the south near Troy. Storm chasers are on it. And we got more tornado warnings. In fact, this one's not going to be radar indicated. You can just see the violent hook on this. Yeah, so we have a violent hook near the Troy City storm. And the velocity is about to get so incredible here. We're going to start seeing a big time storm near Troy. A violent tornado is in progress, guys. Or is about to. Alexander City, y'all are getting absolutely obliterated by this tornado probably right now. Oh my God, look at that correlation coefficient. Holy shit, guys. Alexander City, Jackson's Gap, Horseshoe Bend, Military Park, Daviston is about to get hit by this ginormous tornado right now. I can't emphasize this enough. If y'all are in this county, y'all need to take cover now. Devastating tornado on the ground right now. This whole entire area needs to be watched. Listen, I was saying we need to watch out for these cells that pop up in front of this line. Well, they did. And now they're producing violent tornadoes. Look at this near Troy. Oh my God. That's going to spin up something very violent. Oh my God, that just looks terrible. Once again, near Alexander City, we're about to see a violent tornado touchdown. If not already. Dude, this is incredible. Yep, we're seeing a devastating tornado on the ground. Coming right from the military park. Devastating tornado right now. This could be a long track supercell. Going towards Whately. Here towards Kennesaw, we gotta take a look at this storm as well. So far, nothing yet. Oh my god, this Troy storm looks devastating. Even from a different radar, you can see the hook so well. Oh god. That's a monster toy on the ground. Or it's about to be. And this one here, that's going towards Daviston. Massive tornado.